For Hap Around House. Today we're going to be taking out the steering gear and the steering shaft out of this John Deere X570. The tools that I used: vice grips, a duck bill, needle nose, 15, 17 mil, 15 16ths with an extendo, and whatever you use to turn it. A couple videos before this, I showed you how to take the steering wheel off, that center for the steering wheel. And of course, the trim piece off your instrument cluster has to come off too. Those are separate videos. Following video, we'll be doing the steering stuff. Please enjoy. Okay, I've got that pin sort of straightened out. Let's see what we can do here. I might have to get a different tool to pull that off. Because usually I don't want to hit myself you know where, so gotta be careful how I pull on this. We're back. Keeping that straight if we can. Okay. So far it's not been a bad job. Oh, look at that. Just like I know what I'm doing. We've got our amazing parts box. Throw it in there so we don't lose it. We don't want to lose anything if we can help it. And we'll be back ordering stuff. Okay, so get a pair of gloves. Let's clean this up a bit. And of course, before we put it back together, we'll vacuum all that, blow it all out. So there's that. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm also going to count what I'm doing here because I do not want to lose count on what I have here. In fact, I might just get a twist tie and twist tie these together because they're gonna come off in a specific way, it looks like. I'll show you what I'm doing. I don't know why the yellow mark's there. This was like that. I'm just stacking them in my hand. Looks like we got one more, which is going to be next to impossible to get without a magnet. Hang on, take our magnet. There we go. Oh, look at that. We took the whole stinking thing off. That I did not expect. Oh, that's a strong magnet. What do we got going on here? Okay, now it's detached from the bottom. I'll show you what I mean. Let's see what we got. Let's see if I can reach it. Yeah, that's a bearing, all right. A physical bearing. My God, how did they spend that money on that bearing? Who knew? Okay, cool. So that's out. Now our next challenge, which isn't a challenge, I've already had it off, is that big, see that nut? Let me throw a little light on the subject. See that nut? That biatch is coming off. I hate this light so much. I love to hate it. There you go. All right, so let's get the right appropriate stuff to take it off. So okay, so that's already loose. So there that is. And we're gonna do the same thing with this, is we're going to first, let's collect our nut. There it is. Okay, kinda. You got the most annoying lights in the way, isn't it? There, how about that? That's a little better. Okay, so we're gonna get these off and we're gonna keep them counted. And put them back in the right order. You'd think it'd be easy to take these off, but they're really quite snug to those threads. To get that off, I'm gonna have to take that off. And I think there's one on the other, there is. So there's two of those. So I don't know what size those are. 15 maybe, 15 millimeter. Let's see. So we're gonna have to take both of those off on either side. So I'm gonna use a ratchet. I will not be able to show you that. So hang on, I'm gonna come back. Essentially what I'm doing. So I got this. Let's get the most annoying light in the world over here if we can. Give you a little bit of a view if we can. Well, that's as good as it gets. I'm not going to argue with the light for a million years. Almost off. Okay, see if we can get that nut. We can. Now, so far I haven't taken the deck off, and I don't know if I'll have to. We'll see in just a minute. Push that belt out of the way. There, it's loose. Put this nut back on so we don't lose it. Easy enough to do. It's right in front of my face. I'm going to do the other side. Okay, I just messed around. I pulled up the steering rod and manipulated this steering gear, I suppose, and it fell out. So we're good there. Now I just have to get it beyond these belts. favorite light in the world. Maybe go up there, like this, maybe. Okay, there it is. So here's our steering gear, huh? Not too bad. It's in good shape. I did not record putting it back in. It was not a fun time putting it back in. You have to have your steering arm go up at the same time as your steering gear. They both have to come up at the same time. It's kind of hard. You have to shim it. Next time, I'll just cut shims. I used 2x4s. They kind of worked. It was not the funnest job I've ever done. It took as long as the entire dismantling to put the bottom steering gear on, at least for me. But it went back in. It wasn't terrible. I mean, a half hour. But it's a half hour of constant frustration and swearing at inanimate objects. So it's back together. It's going to work out fine. It's not a bad job. If you've got to change your steering gear, you can totally do this. Buy one off of eBay or Amazon and put it in. It's not that bad. So this is Hap for Hap Around the House. If you liked the video, hit the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.